Hello guys, welcome back to my channel, and on this video we're going to be doing a testnet on Seedx. Okay, and Seedx is the world first web3 gamified tax platform. Okay, so do your best to follow them on Twitter. Okay, we're going to be using their article on Medium. Okay, says how to participate in Seedx public beta text. Okay guys, so please, all the link will be in the description. You can as well read this. Okay, but let me get to it and show you how it's done. Okay, now you are at your Kiwi browser. Make sure you have a working MetaMask as always. Okay, and when you open your MetaMask, guys, you are supposed to be on the Binance chain testnet. Okay, for all those that are new to my channel, I'm just going to show you how to do that. So the link will be in the description for the setup. So go to chainlist.org and then make sure you are on the desktop site if you are using a mobile phone. Okay, but if not, you're good to go. So when that loads, scroll down all the way here and connect your wallet. You see where they showed connect your wallet, and you've seen it. My wallet is connected now. Turn on the testnet button that is above. Okay, and it's on. Just come right here and type on BNB. Okay, once you do that, you're going to see the BNB smart chain testnet. Just click on this twice to add it to your MetaMask. Okay, once that is done, guys, you are good and you will get this on your MetaMask. Okay, so the next thing to do is to get a faucet, because we actually need a faucet for this. So right here, come to this website, link in the description, and copy your wallet address from your wallet. Okay, copy your wallet address right here, then go over to the faucet site and paste this wallet address right here. Okay, once you've pasted that, just come to give me BNB and click on 0.5 BNB. It says bebop, you are a robot. Okay, probably yours will go, but I think mine, because I've already gotten a test faucet, that's why they are doing that. Okay, so let me just try this again. It says solve a captcha, dog, dog. Okay, click on dog. So this appears, and let's paste the wallet once again and click on 0.5. Okay, says funding accepted, and I have obviously or probably gotten a new amount of faucets. Okay, I think so. Once you are done with this, guys, okay, you're done with the faucets. Just close the app, close the bar. Okay, then we are going to go to their websites. Okay, so this is actually cool, guys. This is a game. Okay, you can see how it looks. Okay, this is how it looks, guys. So I've already finished playing the stage 1, so this is the stage 2. But before you do that, guys, come up here where you see these symbols on the top. Okay, click on this. Okay, click on this and you can see NFT withdrawal, and you can see USDT deposit, SX deposit, and all this. So first of all, we're going to be donating an NFT and a USDT. So you are going to click on get USDT, and this will actually load up, and you go to your MetaMask. You are paying for this with the faucet you got in your wallet. So you have to just wait for this to load and click on confirm. Click on confirm and it loads up. You go back to this place and wait a bit. Okay, and while we wait for that, because I already have 800 watts of FAUCET USDT. So let's just say I want to deposit 100. Okay, you can see I want to deposit 100, so I click on deposit right here, and it says you are depositing 100 USDT and the fee is specified down here. So click on confirm. Okay, and it says order has been submitted. Okay, I don't think. Okay, you come over to your MetaMask once again and click on this to pay the gas fee. So guys, while this is loading, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on your notification to get more and more content that you can actually gain from. Okay, so once this is done, I've actually claimed, and you are seeing my new balance now is 280. Okay, so we are now going to go back to this game. We now have enough money to embark into this game. So click on the second and you see I'm going to be needing 10 USD to start this game, and I have above 280, above 250. Okay, so let's click on start. I'm just going to play this a bit and end it to show you guys. So this is actually a game that most of us are good with. Okay, I'm not a kind of good with games, but I think you guys know this. Wow, I'm stuck already. Okay, I don't know. You click on this, you can see this is it, and once you're playing, you are earning more. So you can do this on your own and earn more. At the end of the day, we are going to be earning a lot of token from them. Okay, so that's it for this. So you just have to, let me exit. Okay, let me exit the game, and then once you finish a stage, you're going to see a golden egg. Okay, a golden egg, and you're going to either invite people or see people that are your invitation list or the gold list. Okay, then another one is you can actually come to this place and you withdraw your NFT if you have finished a few stage. Okay, just withdraw your NFT to your wallet. Okay, just withdraw by paying a few gas fee. Okay, so once that is done, you're going to be having, okay, I had about 30, I'm having 29. So this is cool, guys. So do your best to actually, you can add liquidity from here. Okay, I'm having 861, so I'm going to add liquidity with, let me say, 100. Okay, I'm going to do 100 and I'm going to click on supply. Okay, we're still going to play. So all these are inside the web3 game, so this is actually cool, and by the end of the day we're going to be earning tons and tons of money. Okay, so we're just going to wait for this to supply. Just going to wait for this to supply. While we wait for this, guys, please. Okay, I think that is done. This is going to take a few minutes to actually reflect down here. So once it does, guys, just know that you've already added a liquidity. Okay, you can see it's already processing. So that's it, guys. Make sure you're going to actually do this. Okay, right now they tweeted a referral competition to invite your friends to join the Seedx game. So this is great, guys. We're actually going to earn a very huge amount of money from this testnet. And guys, please, it's all about texting, it's all about the the process and not the reward. Okay, I would like to say, but some of us are for the reward. So please do your best to actually do this once, or since it's a game, you can actually do it every day till you get something from it. So thank you guys for actually being with me again till the end. See you next time, and I love you guys. Bye bye.